Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial, we will guide you through YouTube not showing comments. So let's dive right in. If you're the creator of the video and want to prevent any comments altogether, you have the most control over your content. Here's how to disable comments on your YouTube videos. Access YouTube Studio. This is the platform where creators can upload, manage, and monetize their videos. Navigate to the Content section and locate the video you want to edit. Click on the video thumbnail to open its details page. Scroll down until you see a button labeled Show More. Clicking this reveals additional options for your video. Under the Comments and Ratings section, you'll find a setting titled Comment Visibility. This allows you to control who can leave comments on your video. Click the drop-down menu next to Comment Visibility and select Disable Comments to completely turn them off. No viewers will be able to leave comments on your video. Don't forget to click Save at the top right corner to apply your changes. Now, your video will be comment-free for everyone who views it. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.